In a moment, but we're going to begin with the high-profile manslaughter case against a Long Island Marine veteran. A judge today dismissing the request to throw the case out and ordering Daniel Penny to stand trial in the chokehold death of Jordan Neely.
News of Neely's death garnered national attention last May. The homeless man was accused of harassing people on a subway train when Penny put him in a chokehold. Neely died.
Penny's trial comes at a time where subway violence is taking center stage in New York City. Eyewitness News reporter Anthony Carlo live in Lower Manhattan with this story. Anthony.
David, Sandra, as subway violence takes center stage, all eyes will be on Daniel Penny. More importantly, on whether his self-defense argument holds up in front of a jury of his peers, a jury of New Yorkers, many of whom likely know the subway system very well and the challenges it now faces.
Daniel, how you feeling?
Despite Daniel Penny's stone-faced look, any hope his case would be tossed has to be diminishing. Today, a trial date was set for October 8th.
We expect and hope that it'll give you a view into what Daniel Penny really was that day. He was the dangerous one.
That day last May, Penny was recorded putting Jordan Neely in a chokehold on the subway for what prosecutors say was approximately 6 minutes. Neely died.
I knew I had to act.
The Marine veteran has maintained self-defense and that he was just trying to protect other passengers, some of whom have testified Neely was, quote, insanely threatening. The Neely family attorney today.
He was hungry. He asked for food. And in his desperation, he was emotional, but distress does not mean dangerous.
But last week's shooting of an aggressive armed passenger on a Brooklyn train tells the tale of two justice systems, Penny's lawyers say.
So much of it began in a similar way that we see this video beginning, with somebody walking on who's clearly deranged, announcing to a packed subway car that he was going to perpetrate violence.
But in last week's case, there were no charges for the man who allegedly took the aggressor's gun and shot him. The DA citing evidence of self-defense.
Is there a cruel irony that my client, who did everything the right way to try to protect himself and others on the subway, is the one being prosecuted while others, again, thankfully, are not? Yeah, I think that's fair to say.
But the killing of Jordan Neely carries a clear distinction, his family attorneys tell Eyewitness News.
He did not have a knife, he did not have a gun. Even if Daniel Penny was afraid in that moment, at some point he should have let him go.
And the Neely family attorneys say that as other subway violence cases are pushed to the forefront, they encourage New Yorkers to remember the circumstances related to this one and to remember the pain that Neely's family continues to go through to this day. Pain they say that can only be addressed with a guilty verdict and a sentence that could land the Marine veteran in prison for up to 19 years.